For a lot of people, decorating for the holidays is just one more thing on a long to-do list. On this episode of the Home Depot's Weekend Projects, we'll show you how you can keep your decorating fresh and interesting with just a one-stop shop. It's time to refresh this home's holiday decorating, and I think bringing focus to the fireplace in the living room is the perfect place to start. Now, it used to be wood burning, but it's been sealed off for a while now, and I'd love to bring back the ability for them to have a fire while they're entertaining this season. I found this burner on the Home Depot's website. Now, officially it's for patio use, but I really like the elegant lines. I think they're going to look terrific in our fireplace. So I've changed out the gel for an indoor ethanol gel. We're just going to place it in there and it's going to look great. I'm going to set the stage for our mantle decorating with this beautiful plain garland. I went with something that doesn't have a lot of decoration already attached to it. It's just got a mix of different evergreen looks. I think it's going to be a nice beginning stage and we're going to build up from here. I found these great little fairy lights at the Home Depot, and the wonderful thing about them is they're on a battery pack, so you don't have to worry about running power cords everywhere. So we came up with a clever little idea. We're going to layer the little fairy lights into this glass dish with these blue and silver ornaments that I picked out earlier, and it's just going to be a really pretty little display on the mantle. The homeowner has two of these oversized glass vases, and I really love them. They're going to be dramatic. So what I've decided to do is take some classic Christmas looks. So we've got an amaryllis and just some ball ornaments, and we're going to use them to create handsome stands on either side of the fireplace and bring focus to the hearth. Lots of people hang a wreath over their fireplace around Christmas. We're going to do something a little different. We've used this clear 3M hook that can be easily removed. We've attached it to the mirror, and that's going to allow us to hang our wreath nice and low and integrate into the rest of the vignette. I'm really pleased with our finished look. It's festive and fun, yet sophisticated. By limiting our palette to just one collection, we were able to guarantee a cohesive look. Then we layered in personality and whimsy with our creative uses for off-the-shelf accessories. Brighten your season this weekend with new decorations and fresh ideas at the Home Depot.